Very good morning to you all. Today we are going to discuss botanical gardens and museum. Botanical gardens are efficiently large-sized tracts where plants of different types and areas are grown for scientific studies and educational purposes. The first real mechanical garden was developed by Theophrastus. Of course, garden was part of Indian, Chinese and Roman cultures. Hanging Garden of Babylon was considered to be wonders of ancient time. Modern day botanical gardens contain outdoor plants, greenhouses, library, research laboratory, herbarium with documented collection of various taxa. There is an International Association of Botanical Gardens established in 1962 which coordinates research and exchange of plant material. Some major botanical gardens of the world are Main Botanical Garden, Moscow, largest garden, spread over an area of 900 acres. Wendy's Garden, Vienna, it is spread over an area of 400 acres. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, London, it has an area of 300 acres but grows a very large number of plants. Cuban Raya Botanical Garden, Bojor, Java, spread over an area of 200 acres. The garden has section with virgin rainforests. Indian Botanical Garden, Sipur, Kolkata. It is the largest botanical garden of Asia, spread over 273 acres, which is famous for its great banyan tree, palm house, succulent plants, Indian grasses, etc. The important functions of botanical gardens are growing important plants of local flora, keeping a record of local flora, providing living plant material for systematic work, supplying seeds and material for different aspects of botanical research, growing and maintaining rare and endangered plants. Museum. The word museum comes from the Greek word mousian. In the materials available in the exhibition for study are called collections. A collection may include scientific specimens, works of art, and exhibits and information on the history of technology. There are five main kinds of museums, namely art museum, history museum, applied science museum, natural science museum, and journal museum. Museum perform the following functions: acquisition of material. Every new object that a museum adds to its collection is called acquisition. Museum acquires objects in several ways, of which field collection is the most useful. The scientific and technician go outside to gather specimens and data on a particular subject which is with the scope of the museum. Recording of material. Each acquisition is listed carefully by specialist staff. As soon as objects are received, the data, the source, the method of acquisition, and other available informations are entered into record register. Preservation of material. The primary purpose of museum is to preserve selected objects that are received. Curators know that no specimens will last forever. What museums undertake to do is to prolong the lifetime of the objects. Preservation in a museum consists of two steps. Specimens must be put into a condition that checks deterioration. Second one, the specimens must be protected. Research. One important use of museum is to extract as much knowledge as possible. Many museums published scholarly journals, series of papers and books to make available result of research on collections. Exhibition of material. Various members of museum staff prepare acquisition for exhibitions. The specimens selected for exhibition are put on a view in numerous ways. The choice of approach and techniques depends on the purpose of exhibits. Education. A number of universities conduct some courses in certain subjects as museum university advantage of the collection. Thus, museums helps in spreading education. This is all about botanical gardens and museum. Thank you very much.